Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to find your most important files in Google Drive, starring them is the perfect solution. Today I'll show you how to view your starred files using the updated Google Drive app, so you can always keep your key documents just a tap away. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it in your device's app store. Once you open the app, you'll see your files and folders organized as usual. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice several tabs. Tap on the one labeled Starred. This tab is your shortcut to all the files and folders you've marked as important. Everything you've starred, whether it's a work document, a favorite photo, or a shared folder, will appear right here, neatly organized for quick access. If you haven't starred any files yet, it's easy to do. Simply find the file or folder you want to highlight. Tap the three dots next to its name and select Add to Starred. The item will instantly appear in your Starred tab. This way, you can build a collection of your most used files, making it much faster to find what you need when you need it. And if you ever want to remove something from your starred list, just tap the three dots again and choose Remove from Starred. The file will disappear from the Starred tab, but don't worry, it stays safe in your drive, just no longer marked as a favorite. Using the Starred feature is a smart way to stay organized, especially if you're juggling multiple projects or want to keep personal and work files separate. With just a couple of taps, your most important files are always at your fingertips. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Drive app, tap the Starred tab at the bottom, and instantly view all your favorite files. Thanks for watching, and stay organized with Google Drive.